This is a room tour of room 505 at the 21C Museum Hotel in Lexington, Kentucky. Now, close the door, very heavy door, make sure it closes. You have a deadbolt and a lock like that. First thing you'll notice here, we have two switches. We have an entry and a master on and off. Just gonna hit the master on and off. It turns that light up here. Not really noticeable during the day. It is noticeable actually. Let's look at the map here. The theme here is penguins. It looks like they put this on the wrong one and then crossed it out and then drew another penguin here. And you can see that's the size of the hotel. Max checkout time is 11 a.m. And you can see the maximum charges, which is a lot. Maximum charge. AC stuff is here, so you'll hear it. It's just over here though. Here is the hallway. We'll start with the bathroom. Door is, the wallpaper color is green, and there is a light here. It's actually pretty nice. Let's open it up here. You got two lights here. You have the background lights, then you have the shower overhead lights, and here are the background lights, and it goes like that. So as we come in here, I'll close the door here. First thing you'll see, we have a robe. It's very nice, it's branded. It's very soft. Keep in mind, I've already slept in this room, so this is gonna be the second day. You do have a toilet paper, a bunch of towels that are down there, 4 towels each. Mirror, you have mirrors all around, even in the shower. And here's the shower. So here we have nice solid controls, 2 cups, a vanity kit, and we have rum hand wash and B5 hand lotion. Here in the shower, it's a double swing door. This one has a little drip to it. It doesn't really matter. Nice shower, glass wall, and here are the shower amenities. It also comes with a rubber ducky. Lots of space in here. Nice. It has a nice shelf, and like I said, you can shut this light off, and you just have this light in here, or you can shut the tall lights off, and you just have a mirror light. So it's whatever you want to do with it. Lots of space in here, 3 hooks. Come out here now. The bathroom door also, it doesn't lock, but who cares? It's a nice heavy door. Shut those off. Okay, and in here we have the closet. It's a sensor closet. It's a light sensor. You have an extra blanket, an ironing board, luggage rack, and another very soft branded robe and some hangers. Honestly, the bathroom's my favorite part of this room. And then here's the room. This is a 1 king room. Master switch turns on the bedside lights over there. There's 2 lamps over there. Let's start with the mini bar. Oh, here's the thermostat actually. It is loud, it works. 2 outlets here. I tried to figure out how to open this. I thought it opened here. It's not. I also thought it was a server rack, but you open it here, so there's an automatic light. The mini bar is sensor operated. I'm gonna open it slowly so you can see it. There's one thing missing, which is weird. Up here, we have the cost for stuff. Notice these 2 water bottles are included. They are reusable. I've used them before. I actually keep reusing them. The espresso in this machine. There we have the espresso cups and some to-go cups. Tea. But yeah, just bath water. We have the TV, an actual mini fridge with my lunch in it. You have a switch for this light up here. You have a sofa and it's like a dining table. You can use that. You also have a chair here with a footrest. And then the bed. As I said, the bed, you have is bedside lights here. Outlets with USBs, lamp, adjustable lamp. It's a king bed, as you would expect. Ample shelving. This magazine, pencil to go with the theme, of course. Notepad. And then iHome with a lightning adapter. I have a son, of course. That lamp does turn on too, but a nice big room, nice high ceiling. Obviously, this wasn't a hotel before. And then here's the view off of this side. So, nice view. This is Main Street here. And then we have, I actually don't know what this building is. Could be a courthouse. I actually didn't look. But there's the view. Anyway, this is the room. Let me know what you think. Oh, there's a mirror right there too.